you see things like that, it makes a huge impact on you. Children are particularly vulnerable. So let's talk about the impact on our child's health. They are particularly vulnerable to these chemicals, from artificial dyes to the endocrine disruptors like atrazine. And research shows that these additives and pesticides can contribute to everything from ADHD to allergies and hormonal imbalances. Doris Rapp about the toxicity of these artificial dyes and what they can actually do to our children. And I want to share a quote with you, and then I'm going to share something that was so impactful for me when I learned about this from her, that still today, that memory is burned into my mind. So I want to quote Doris Rapp, where she talks about this, and she says, for many children, just a small amount of food coloring can make the difference between a good day and a bad day. These additives can act like a poison in the body, disrupting normal brain function and triggering extreme reactions. Studies have linked red number 40 and yellow number 5 to increased hyperactivity in children, especially those with attention deficit disorder, ADHD. And the American Academy of Pediatrics has called for additional research into food dyes and their effects on children's health. Parents have reported that eliminating these dyes from their children's diets can make a profound difference. Behavioral changes, emotional outbursts, mood swings are just a few of these symptoms that can improve. Beforehand, normal kid sitting, hanging out, doing his thing. They gave him the orange. And within 5 minutes, maybe 10 max, I would say probably closer to 5, this big kid went from being completely normal, doing his thing, to curled up in a ball, talking about committing suicide, very anxious, very emotional. It was traumatic for those of us in the audience watching this kid have this kind of reaction. She gave him a neutralizing dose, and within 5 to 10 minutes, he was totally back to normal again. And he had absolutely no recollection of what had transpired and that he was talking about committing suicide. No recollection at all. When you see things like that, it makes a huge impact on you. It's one thing to hear it. It's a completely different thing to see it. Because if your child is suffering from this because of a food sensitivity or a dye sensitivity, it's easily reversible. It's easily fixed by eliminating the dyes, eliminating the food. And if we need to, we can treat with allergy drops.